Hello friends, today I'm going to show you the demo of online result system, and the website which provide this system is called Result Hosting. I'm going to show this to you. So this website, yes, so there you can see there is display exam results online. This is online result display system. This is online school fee collect system where the students enter their roll number or registration number along with their date of birth to submit their monthly or annual fee. Here is online identity and admit card system, online transfer certificate system, online transfer certificate verification system. Today we will talk about online result system only. So what this system does, there is a software version volume 1. There is also other versions. As you can see, 3 templates of the results. You can see roll number along with date of birth, view sample 1. As you can see, all displaying properly. Sample number 2 for the same roll number and combination of the date of birth, and the result number 3. This is different template than other fields, which includes class teacher signature and principal signature. It looks fully professional. It looks like certificate provided by the schools. So what we are gonna see today is their new released software for the results of university and schools. It's called Online Result System Volume 1. As you can see here, it's a very beautiful search. Now you can see exam year is 2020 only, and select your branch. If you have university branch in other cities or countries, you can set it here, or other schools, same applies here. And now enter roll number is, suppose we have the file of this. Now every school has the Excel sheet file for the results. So suppose we have this file as a results. So serial number 1 and roll number 8502613, and date of birth is 24/5/1994. So here we don't need date of birth, only roll number, exam and center code. So after verifying the CAPTCHA, we have to verify mountain or hills. Yes, now you can see the results. As you can see here, it's fully professional result. As you can see here, Ashwin Pandey, Mahalati Pandey, Anil Pandey, district school code. As you can see, district school code 851019, 851019, date of birth 24/5/94, 24/5/94. So this is their result system, as you can see, and you can also print the page. So we'll go to the new page. So the website is resultshosting.net, or you can just search on Google results hosting to contact. Or then contact. Oh, there is mega sale, 2 rupees per result option, and you can display your results 2 rupees per result. So if I have 3 results, suppose I have 330 results, there you are going to charge only 60 rupees for that, plus development fees only. And development fees depends on services required by you, but they will not charge you more than 150 rupees for the development charges. Thank you.